Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are learning English for the airport. This lesson is for beginners, so don't worry. We will use easy words and short sentences. By the end of this video, you will know how to check in, go through security, find your gate, and board your flight, all in English. Let's get started. Arriving at the airport. Here we are. This is the airport.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $20, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Bye.
Whoa, this airport is big. Check in at the airport.
Good morning. Where are you flying to?
Good morning. I am flying to Rome today.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in.
Do you also have a carry-on bag?
Yes, I have this small backpack.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay, I am putting it on now.
Your bag is 19 kilos. That is fine.
Great, thank you.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat, please.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much for your help.
Your gate is number 12. Boarding starts at 11 a.m. Don't be late.
I will be on time. Thank you.
Asking for directions at the airport.
Excuse me. Where is the check-in counter?
It is over there, on the right.
Thank you. Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
Where can I find the departures board?
The departures board is behind you.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is my flight to Berlin on time?
Yes, your flight is not delayed.
Do you know where gate 7 is?
Yes, go straight and then turn left.
Can I check in my luggage here?
Staff. Yes, this is the right place.
How long does security take?
Around 15 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
At the security check. Next, please. Do I need to take off my watch?
Yes, please put it in the tray.
Can I keep my jacket on?
No, please take your jacket off.
Do I take my laptop out of the bag?
Yes, you need to take it out.
What about liquids, like water?
You cannot take that water with you.
Are snacks allowed?
Yes, but only small amounts.
Can I keep my belt on?
No, please remove your belt.
Do I walk through here?
Yes, please walk through the scanner now.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, you must remove your shoes.
Can I keep my phone in my pocket?
No, please take your phone out and place it in the tray.
Do I need to show my boarding pass again?
Yes, keep your boarding pass ready to show.
What about coins or keys in my pocket?
Please empty your pockets into the tray.
Can I carry medicine with me? Yes, medicine is allowed, but keep it in its original packaging.
Thank you. That's very clear.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Finding the gate. Excuse me, is this the right line for London?
Yes, you are in the correct line.
What time is it now?
It is 10 in the morning.
How many bags can I take?
You can check in 2 bags.
Is this bag okay for carry-on?
Yes, that bag is a good size.
Where are the toilets, please?
They are just around the corner.
Can I get a coffee somewhere?
Yes, there is a cafe near Gate 5.
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, connect to the airport's free Wi-Fi.
How long until boarding?
About 30 minutes.
What gate is my flight boarding from?
Your flight is boarding from Gate 12.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, the flight is on schedule.
Great. Can I sit and wait nearby?
Yes, there are seats near the gate.
Do I need to keep my passport ready?
Yes, please keep your passport and boarding pass ready.
Thank you for your help.
Waiting for the flight. Talking to a friend. Where is our gate?
Our gate is B12.
Is it far from here?
No, it's a 5-minute walk.
Let's look at the screen again.
Good idea.
I want to check the time. What time does the flight board?
It boards at 11:30 a.m.
Do we have time for a snack?
Yes, we have about 20 minutes.
I need to find my boarding pass.
It's in your jacket pocket.
Oh, you're right. Thank you.
Do we sit together on the plane?
Yes, we have seats together.
Is our flight on time?
Yes, the flight is on schedule. Do we need to go through security again?
No, we already passed security.
Should we line up early for boarding?
No, we can wait until our group is called.
Okay, let's relax and wait here.
Boarding the plane. Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
What is your seat number?
My seat number is 24A. Is this the gate for the flight to Madrid?
Yes, you are in the right place.
Is the flight delayed?
No, it looks like it's on time.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there are some outlets over there.
How long is the flight to Madrid?
It's about 2 hours. Please keep your passport ready.
Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, I have it in my hand.
Which boarding group am I in?
Boarding will begin in about 10 minutes.
Okay, you can board now.
I appreciate your help.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Your seat is on the left, near the window.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your flight.
Useful words to remember. Before we finish, let's review some important airport words. Check-in, giving your ticket and bags to the airline. Boarding pass, your ticket to get on the plane. Gate, the place where you get on the plane. Carry-on, A small bag you take with you. Security check. Checking your bags and body before flying. Departures board. The screen with flight times. Try to use these words next time you travel.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did amazing listening, reading, and practicing conversations. Remember, every day you practice, you grow stronger in English. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more fun and easy lessons for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.